This is adding data labels, and if you look at our column chart, we can add the actual value for each one of the bars on this column chart. And the reason why this can help us is if we look at the company data, the orange bars, they land right on a precise number. So we can see for the 30 days and the 45 days past due, that's landing right on 25%. And also down here, this is 15 and 5. But the blue bars, which represents the division, they're right in between these values. So a data label will allow us to put the exact value right over each of the bars in this chart so we know exactly what the percentage of the invoices are that are past due. Going to make sure the chart is activated first, so you want to just click anywhere in the chart area. Make sure you're seeing the sizing handles around the perimeter of the chart. Clicking the Design tab of the ribbon, clicking Add Chart Elements, and we're going to place the mouse pointer over Data Labels. And then if you go to the submenu and just place the mouse pointer over these options, you will see the values appear on the chart. So you can preview what you would like the data label to look like and where it should be positioned on the chart. So here you could have your data labels in these little call-out boxes. I'm going to select the outside end option. So I'm going to click that. That gives me the exact percentage for each one of the bars on my chart. Now, if I click on one data label, it will activate all the data labels for a series. So clicking over one data label for the blue bars, which is the division, it will activate all of the data labels. Now I can format all of these data labels at the same time. So I'm going to click the Home tab of the ribbon, going to decrease the font size to 8. I'm going to bold, and then I'm going to change the font style to Arial. And then I can do the same thing for the company data series. I'm just going to click one data label over the orange bars. Going to be in the Home tab of the ribbon, decrease the font style with the font size to 8. Going to bold, and then I'm clicking the down arrow for the font style. I'm going to select Arial. So that is the way we can add and format these data labels. Now I'm going to click the chart area. As you look at the labels, if you notice that the spacing seems a little off, like the 25% here seems a little too close to the blue bar, you can click the data labels one time, and as I mentioned, all the data labels will be activated. If you click it a second time, just that data label will be active, and you can just click and drag it. So you can adjust these labels as you see fit on your charts if you need some additional space as you add the labels to the bars. So I'm going to move the 19.2% over as well. So all of the labels are movable, and you can add formatting enhancements as well. And that is how you add data labels to a chart.